The campus is buzzing with activity as Sarah, a bright-eyed freshman, arrives for move-in day. Loading boxes, she's eager yet apprehensive to start this new chapter. Luckily, Sarah is greeted by Tars, her personal AI assistant. Via chat, Tars answers all of Sarah's questions about schedules, buildings, and professors. Its natural language capabilities save her time digging through confusing websites. As classes begin, Tars accesses Sarah's schedule and grades in real time to monitor her progress. When assignments pile up, it nudges Sarah with reminders via text to stay on track. When the midterms approach, sensing Sarah's stress levels rising, Tars proactively transfers her to a live academic advisor who creates a personalized study plan catered to Sarah's learning style. Exam week finishes with a sigh of relief, but a low score in calculus triggers Tars AI to flag Sarah for supplemental tutoring support. Its algorithms know just what each student needs to succeed. At last, move-out day arrives, happy memories flooding back. She checks her phone one last time, smiling at a congratulatory message from Tars, her companion along the journey. With seamless omnichannel capabilities, proactive analytics, and integrated systems, Tars transforms the student experience. An AI assistant dedicated to each learner's success. Try Tars today.